No one is going to tell you this, but you are carrying way too much expectations, too many responsibilities, and the pressure to always be strong. But what if, in all of that, you were missing the chance to truly connect with yourself? Sensuality isn't just about how you look, it's about feeling alive, confident, and fully in tune with your body. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to reclaim your sensuality, boost your confidence, and create space for more pleasure and joy. And make sure to grab a notebook and stay to the very end. Greetings, gorgeous girlies. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, drop a purple heart and let me know where you're watching from. And if you're an OG subscriber, let me know in the comments by dropping a purple heart, and feel free to leave a video topic that you want to discuss in the future. But back to your sensuality, or the lack of sensuality. Today, we're going to be diving into the beautiful art of embracing your sensuality. By the end of this video, you should understand how to embrace sensuality and your sensual side. You should also understand and transform your lifestyle with practical habits and tips, and overall cultivate a positive mindset towards your sensuality. Some topics that we'll cover today is going to be connection with sensuality, diet and nutrition, self-care rituals, mindset, and of course, journal prompts. Let's begin with defining what we mean when we say sensuality. This goes beyond sexuality, because sensuality, to me at least, is how you engage with the world, how the world responds back to you. It's how you receive opportunities, gifts, compliments, emotions. Do you receive it with joy, or does it make you uncomfortable? It's how you move through the world. Are you lighthearted and carefree? If someone was watching you, would you be looking like what you're going through? Or do you inspire others, women, men, children alike, to fully be present with themselves as well? But why is this important? I believe that tapping into your sensuality can boost your self-confidence, enhance your relationships, and even improve your overall well-being. When you embrace your sensual side, you'll start to see yourself in a new light. Now, let's explore how to increase your sensuality. Here are a few key tips. First up is mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness will help you become more present and aware of your body. Start by taking a few moments each day to focus on your breathing or meditate. Next, let's talk about movement. Whether it's dancing, yoga, or simply taking a walk, moving your body helps you connect more with it. Try putting on your favorite music and dance like no one's watching. Lastly, I want you to start engaging with your senses. Start savoring your food. Enjoy beautiful scents. Notice textures all around you. This heightened awareness helps you become more sensual and feel more alive. Now, ladies, let's dive into diet, because what we eat can significantly impact our sensuality. First and foremost, I need you to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for healthy skin and overall vitality. I would personally aim for at least a gallon a day. Next, we're going to focus on diets rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and even dark chocolate, because these foods can help boost your mood and energy levels. For instance, berries are packed with antioxidants, while dark chocolate releases feel-good chemicals in the brain. Remember, feeling good about your body starts with nourishing it properly, because you're showing yourself that you're worthy of giving yourself the best. Let's move on to self-care and beauty, two essential elements of embracing your sensuality. Start creating daily self-care rituals, and these should be non-negotiables for you. It could be a relaxing bath once a week, a daily skincare routine, or simply spending a few moments in silence a day. Make these rituals feel indulgent, whether that's lighting a candle, buying a cute journal, or even wearing a super cute yoga set or robe set. And I would be remiss if I skipped beauty tips. Now, you don't need to spend a fortune to look great. In fact, my biggest expense when it comes to my beauty is going to be my groceries. Try DIY face mask with ingredients like honey and avocado. Simple makeup tips like using a tinted moisturizer and sunscreen daily can help enhance your natural beauty without feeling like you're trying too hard or feeling like the products are too heavy for your skin. And lastly, deeply consider how you dress. I want us to start wearing clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. Whether it's a flowy dress or your favorite pair of jeans, you should start choosing outfits that reflect your personality and your sensuality. For more on presentation and looks maxing, definitely check out the video that I'll have pinned in the comments. You can also do this by creating a sensuality playlist that you can listen to whenever you want to tap into that playful, sensual energy. Some of my personal favorite artists for this are Cleo Sol, Alina Baraz, Sade, and so many more. A positive mindset is crucial. So I want us to start challenging our negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. So, for example, say to yourself, I am worthy of love and pleasure. I receive compliments with joy and bliss. Speaking of affirmations, I'm going to give you guys a few that you can use. I celebrate my body. I deserve joy and pleasure. And I'm in tune with my sensuality. Repeat these to yourself daily. Lastly, I want you to consider journaling. Write about your experiences, your feelings, your desires related to sensuality. This is a powerful tool, ladies, for self-discovery and growth. So let me give you a few that you can start with. 1. How do I currently feel about my body and my sensuality? Reflect on your current relationship with your body and how often you allow yourself to experience joy, pleasure, or confidence in your own skin. Are there any societal or personal barriers that hold you back? For instance, maybe you grew up in an extremely religious household and you have a hard time relating to yourself in a sensual way because you are seeing yourself in a sexual way when you do this. Number 2, what moments in my daily life make me feel most connected with my senses? Think about the small moments where you feel present and alive, whether it's through movement, taste, touch, sight, or sound. How can you intentionally create more of those moments in your routine? And last but not least, what aspects about me influence the way I see or express my sensuality? Explore how your identity, your culture, or experiences impact your view of sensuality. What positive aspects can you hone in on? And what might you need to unlearn to embrace your full sensual self? To recap, we covered the importance of sensuality, tips to embrace it, dietary choices to enhance it, self-care tips, and how to cultivate a positive mental health mindset. Before you go, let me know, who are some of your favorite artists to listen to for increasing your sensuality? I might just add them to my playlist. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a like. And if you want to go deeper in your journey on topics like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can always be notified when I upload. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I can't wait to see you all in the next video where we'll be diving deep into another exciting topic. I'll see you all in the next one. XOXOB.